Hi, you guys. You guys are before time. So, I welcome you to today's video. Welcome back to the Unsent Letters Spicer. Guys, let's begin the video now. Few months ago, I made a video of my vanity. I showed you the products I use. And in today's video, I'm gonna take you along with my makeup process. So in the evening, me and Siddharth are going Shangri-La to meet some cousins and for dinner. And I'm getting ready for that. So I thought, why don't I take you along with me to the makeup? But a quick disclaimer, my makeup is very, not Mua style because I'm not professional and I don't use concealer, so you're gonna hate me for that. I don't use concealer. It's gonna be very basic next door makeup, and I'll do foundation and lenses and stuff. So what say? Let me quickly dress up, or let me do the skincare first and then I wear lenses and dress up. What do you say? Okay, so let me quickly do skincare. Okay, love. So I washed my face and now I'm gonna tone my face. Pardon my techniques, I'm gonna use my hands a lot. And let me show you my dressing. So I'm standing here and this is my dressing. We're gonna do the makeup. Let me set the camera first. Okay. So we are gonna be very spontaneous in this video. And okay, so I'll tone my face first. I'm gonna use this toner of Innisfree. Well, we can talk. Do you wanna talk something, Joe? So I'm not using cotton pad. I'm using my hand to apply the toner. And since it's winter and fan is not on, I'm gonna pat it dry itself. And then, so now it's like time to put serum. As you know, I use Shiseido serum, but it's finished. And Siddharth said that let's wait until my gets finished, but you don't touch mine. And then until that, you use this Kama serum. Okay. So I'll apply this serum. Same my hands. My neck, behind. Oh, I forgot to tell you, I got my hair done already. You know, if you've seen the last video, you know that I don't do my hair myself. Like sometimes I do when I don't have to go some party or something. But today I went to Gitanjali, new friend's colony. I got my hair done. Shampoo I did myself. Okay. So funny. Okay. So now what I'm gonna do is, we've done toner, we've done serum, and now I'm gonna put a lot of moisturizer. Like a lot of moisturizer, and after the moisturizer I'll put lenses. I'll immediately come back, same video, and we're gonna continue with the cozy makeup. So this is the Innisfree moisturizer. Oh, it's a lovely moisturizer. You saw that video, the vanity one. you're finding that the products are changed. Oh, yes. No, they are also here, but I try to spam a lot of moisturizer, like good amount of moisturizer, because the makeup's gonna stay until night. Rub the moisturizer on my hands and apply it. Apply it. So I've applied Fresh Look lenses, which is quite easy for me to apply. It took only 2 minutes because I have been putting these cosmetic lenses 15-16 years. When I was in college, I started applying lenses, then cosmetic ones. My eyesight is not weak, touch wood. And now I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna wear, and after changing we will start the makeup. Wait. This is the blouse or a short spaghetti I'm gonna wear. I will wear this. I got this from Amazon on like emergency basis because the dress I'm gonna wear has a very deep, very sharp, deep neck. Let me show you. So I'm gonna wear this Zara dress. Got it from Zara like 3-4 years back. I wore it only once, and you see the neck. So this is the neck. So if I have to wear that spaghetti underneath it. This is the dress, and no, not a dress. I'm gonna wear Go Colors warm legging under it. First, it's very cold, and second, this dress is very short. So this legging I'm gonna wear. Let me quickly come back. So I've changed into the outfit. I'm wearing it like after 3-4 years. Let me show you how is it looking. So this is the dress, and underneath the same spaghetti, and we're gonna start the makeup now. So now I'm wearing this cute hairband. If you know me, you know my love for hairbands and hair accessories, the cute ones. And now we'll put the foundation. I'll put foundation. So let me show you. I'll put this Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush foundation. It is very good. My second favorite. First is always Estee Lauder Double Wear. Yes, I haven't used it. It's been 6 months because this one is also good. So I'm gonna take a dot because it's full coverage. It's beautiful. I'm gonna take a dot of this here, and also I'll mix it with primer. No, I'm not putting primer. I did put the moisturizer, like a lot of moisturizer. This is Get Ready With Me. Okay, so this is the foundation, and now I'm gonna do Dot and Key. This is the exact way, guys, I get ready. Exact way. The two friends of mine, old pals of mine, who said, why don't you do Get Ready With Me? And I said, okay. But then I said, then I don't put concealer. I do foundation. I use hands and everything. So, but still I'm doing it because it's me. So it's Dot and Key or Drop. It's a strobe cream of Dot and Key. Dot and Key, my cult favorite brand. No, this is not sponsored. I've just started this YouTube channel. Maybe I get sponsorships later. It's time to evenly blend blend the foundation mix. You're gonna say that I need concealer. I actually don't know how to use it. So before the next video, I'm gonna see a lot of tutorials and I'm gonna use the concealer. So how we gonna hide this a bit? Dark circles, we're gonna hide by this. So Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Finish Flawless Compact. I'm gonna use it now. It's amazing. Everything is non-sponsored. So to like you would see the difference. It hides any oil blemishes. See. Oh God. Doorbell. So this is how my face looks now after foundation and everything. And we're gonna apply now eyebrow pencil, eyebrow gel. After that, blush, eyes. That's how I do it. And let's start with the eyebrow. Okay. Anastasia Beverly Hills. So we gonna easily apply it, and whatever extra has come, I'm gonna remove by the earbud. And now I'll take this brush and I'm gonna shape my eyebrows a bit after applying the Anastasia filler. Like that, and it looks nice. Yeah. Okay. So now we have done eyebrow and it's time to do blush. This one, K Beauty, my favorite blush. You've seen this in the vanity video. If you haven't seen it, please go and watch. It will help me grow a lot on this channel. No, it's fine. Okay. So we're gonna apply the blush. Okay. Some more? No, I think it's fine. Now I'll apply this honey glaze highlighter. My hand, bit on my nose. Okay. Bit on my cheeks with my hands to give that subtle glow. And a little bit as a base on my eye. That's what I do. That's what I do. Can't rub hard because, you know, I'm wearing lenses. So this is how I look. Bit here, bit. eyeshadow I'm using from past so many years. It doesn't finish. I don't do much makeup, and by my style, you're getting to know that I don't do much makeup. So these are the shades. I'm gonna go for this one, a little sparkle. I have this brush. I can use it, but shall I use my hand? Let's see how it goes. If video doesn't turn out good, I won't upload it. It's okay. So, my hand, my finger for here, eyeshadow, then oh, oh, I can't do this on camera. This is how my eyes look after the eyeshadow. I'm not gonna put the eyeliner. So I'm doing dark lipstick with, my eyelashes are actually good by themselves. So I'm gonna put mascara. Below, we're gonna do something. Let me think. A little bit. So this is how I look now after all that mature steps of makeup, and it's time to finish after applying lipstick, mascara, and fixer. Okay, so it's time to apply lipstick. Which shade I should go for? So we are doing, first of all, I'm doing my, this is K Beauty pencil. It's very difficult in camera. So now we're gonna apply the lip shade, and the lipstick I'm gonna apply is, I recently bought this Pilgrim lipstick. Game of Makeup, Sarah, an influencer, famous makeup artist. 2-3 days back, she did advertisement for this, and I immediately bought this. Looking at her, she's my favorite Mua. No, she does amazing makeup. I don't learn from her. I just look at her. So we're gonna apply lipstick. Any Muas, any expert people who do makeup, girls, please don't judge me, because this is how I do it, and this is my desi version of doing makeup. So we're gonna apply this glitter. Oh, looks so pretty. I think I should dark the blush. No, it looks so pretty. Oh my god, this looks so pretty. At last, I'm gonna put mascara on my beautiful eyelashes. Self-obsessed. And I need mirror. Oh, I need mirror. I'm gonna wear the earrings. Pearls. I'm not wearing pearls. In my neck. Because already the dress is very heavy and steals the show. Okay. So now that's how I look after this AY makeup process. And yes, this is me. You think I need a gloss? Okay, let's do it. Stays. Let's do it. Little bit of gloss doesn't harm anyone. Then we're gonna do a bit of hair, which I already got done. And guys, this is me. Okay, so this is how I look, and we're gonna do the spray. Let me switch on the fan. Now we're gonna apply the makeup fixer. That's it. Let me go inside the fan. This was not a tutorial. No, this was a big time no tutorial. So you can count it as a day with me, getting ready session with me. And this is how I look. Now we're going Shangri-La. I'm gonna post pictures on my Instagram, and you gotta like it and follow me on Instagram. So that's all for today's video.